Hello, guys. This video will show you how to fix and avoid failed orders due to phone number requirements on AliExpress. First, let's learn how to fix failed orders with phone number issues. Log into your DSers dashboard and navigate to Open Orders. Access the AliExpress page and switch to the Failed Orders tab. Locate Customer Detail on the order card of the order for which you want to edit the phone number. In the Tele box, enter the customer's phone number. Click Save. Now, you can place the order again. To avoid failed orders in the future, check these steps. From your Shopify dashboard, go to Settings. Switch to the Checkout page. Scroll to the Customer Information section. Under Shipping Address Phone Number, check the button to select Required. Click Save. Now your customers will be required to fill in their phone numbers when they check out in your store. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Happy dropshipping!